Today's recipe is for all you pumpkin spice lovers out there. That's right, we're making pumpkin spice cheesecake.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today we're gonna get spicy. Pumpkin spicy. Let's get to it. First up, for this cheesecake I'm gonna make a brownie base because I want to. I'm gonna start with 1 egg, whoop, and then I'm gonna add 55 grams of granulated sugar. Hey! Now whisk it. Whisk it all together. Whisk it until it's frothy. No whisk, no reward. Woo! Mary's bath. We're gonna start with 20 grams of unsalted butter here. Yummy. And then 55 grams of dark chocolate. Chocolatey. Now we're gonna melt it down. Almost melted, it's almost melted. Ow! Ow! It's super hot. That's fine. That's fine. Everything's fine. Lessons learned. That's what we're left with. Isn't that pretty? And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. Now mix in your chocolate and egg mixture. Chocolatey goodness. Now mix it all together. Mix it all together. Whatever. That's all incorporated and pretty now. Next up, we're gonna sift in about 3 grams of cocoa powder along with 10 grams of flour powder. Flour, just flour. I don't trust bakers. They've got sifty eyes. And a little pinch of salt. And then mix it all together. Get yourself in those crevices, make a mess. When we are apart, I feel it too. And now we're gonna pour this into a parchment-lined baking thing. Yeah. And chocolate rain. Just gonna make sure it's evenly everywhere. Now pop this into a 350-degree oven for 64 million years. Whoop! 15 minutes later, and we are done. And that's our base. Moving on. For the filling, we're gonna start by whipping 360 grams of cream cheese. 360 grams of cream cheese, goes in. Room temperature cream cheese is the, whoa! Making a mess. Woo! Clean the sides down a bit. You don't wanna be a messy dragon. Whipped cream cheese that we will save for another time. Now for the dry stuff, AKA my love life. 120 grams of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, boop, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, ew, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, whoop, pinch of nutmeg, beep, 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 beep. That's your pumpkin spice right there. Pumpkin spice, AKA white girl crack. Now we're adding our dry ingredients to that. Shouldn't have had your spatula in there, doof doof. Now whisk it all together. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Smells good, but tastes like nightmares. 320 grams of pumpkin puree. Ugh. It's so pretty. 2 eggs go in. Whoop, that's 1 egg. 2 eggs go in. Boop, blend in those eggs. And now we sift in 4 grams of cornstarch. Blend again. And lastly, 160 grams of whipped cream. Ladies, now put it in the cake pan. Now I'm gonna put this into a 465-degree oven for about half an hour. I'll see you guys in half an hour. Ah, it's so hot. It's so hot. Ugh. Woo! You smell so good. So let this cool down, then put it in the fridge overnight. And then you're gonna get this. And now I eat you. That's nice. Oh yeah. Pumpkin. Pumpkin, spice, and everything nice. I'm a basic bitch and I don't care. Yep. I don't care. Bye, friends.